If it doesn't work, try a bigger hammer.
Luke, I am a Nomad's Projects. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we continue building the Downdraft table. For the bottom of the box I decided to use the back of an old IKEA shelf, and I ripped this down on my homemade table saw. I did a test fit of the box within the workbench frame.
If it doesn't work, try a bigger hammer.
Then I proceeded to make quite the blunder.
Oh my god!
I glued and screwed the bottom of the box to the actual bottom this time. I marked out the hole for the dust collection, drilled a pilot hole, and then finished the hole with a flat bit. I decided to use glue on the inside of the joints to try to seal them better. I cut out the lid for the Downdraft table partly on my homemade table jigsaw and partly with a handsaw. And I held down the worktop with my tool chest while inserting and fixing the blade. I then marked out the center and drew a checkered pattern for the holes. Although it wasn't strictly necessary, I took the opportunity to use my new drill press. I then continued with a handheld drill using this handy little jig to drill straight. By now I had connected the vacuum hose to the table, and I noticed that the downdraft was very disappointing. I had seen Matthias Vandell using cardboard gaskets in some of his dust collection projects, so I tried that out. I started to suspect that my little shop vac wouldn't be able to handle that amount of open surface, so I decided to make a test before continuing to drill more holes. There was almost no suction on the top of the table and I had to clean it up the normal way. Clearly more troubleshooting is needed, but that will be another video. We end this one on a little bit of a downbeat, but remember to leave a thumbs up if you liked the video. And if this is your first visit to my channel, please consider subscribing. That's it guys, catch you in the next one.